So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, first of all, the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge, and above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of this car. They are 31,747. We have a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed there as well. You can change that information for various different things. So, for example, your trip computer, vehicle settings, your telephone, audio, and satellite navigation menus, and back around to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. We have phone and stereo controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left, along with cruise control and speed limiter. And then in the center, the main touchscreen for the car. You can see we have satellite navigation. You can come back out to the home screen from there. We've done a video showing how the sat-nav works, which you can find on our website and YouTube channel. We can pair up a phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And once we've done that, of course, we'll be able to make and receive phone calls, but we'll also be able to stream our music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. We've also got, as you can see, AM, FM and DAB radio. This car's got 2 separate USB inputs as well, so if you plug devices into those, they will appear up here as further options for you. Main volume for the stereo is just there. Below that, we have the climate control, so you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take full control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain the temperature you've asked for. Any manual adjustment will override that straight away and allow you to put it back on your own settings here. We've also got a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen. 12-volt charging socket and one of the 2 USB inputs I mentioned a moment ago. A 6-speed manual gearbox, and then from down here, we can put the car in eco mode. We can turn off the traction control, and this button will turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.